Hey folks, Shane with ESEE Knives and Reynolds Adventuring Training. New for SHOT Show 23 is we have brought back the Libertarian. Formerly this knife was made in our expat line in El Salvador, and we discontinued that knife, and now we are bringing this production to the USA. So this is all USA sourced, 1095 carbon steel, 9-inch cutting blade, 14 overall, micarta scale, hole for the draw knife. So all the same features that we've been using for the traditional Libertarian, just now made by ESEE, made in the USA, featuring our lifetime warranty like everything else we do. So that's our latest and greatest. Next up close to that is, this is kind of old news, but not necessarily, this is our first USA made folder. It's a friction folder. It's actually, see my name on it there, it's actually my design. So the Pinhoti friction folder debuted a couple months back. We only did the first run of about 300, and I think they're almost all gone. But this is something that we hope to have more of in the future. And maybe down the line, who knows, maybe a fixed blade. If you want to scrape tinder or a ferro rod, it's got a 9-degree spine. You work it closed and scrape there. So it kind of covers a lot of the bases for your basic woodcraft, bushcraft type stuff. Cool thing about the Pinhoti, one of the coolest things about it, I think, is the sheath. In SHOT Show of 2020, this particular Pinhoti was our production, or a early prototype that we tested for almost 2 years. SHOT Show 2020, Spin from JRE Industries came up. He's like, hey, I want to get your feedback on something. And he showed me this sheath. And I said, Spin, you've created a solution for a problem you didn't know existed. And that was the one thing we hadn't quite figured out, is how we were going to carry this thing. So this is our production Pinhoti here. Carbon steel blade, 1095 micarta handle. This thing can be carried tang up, tang down, 4 different ways. Also, take the knife out, a multi-tool works here, a single stack magazine works here, a double stack magazine works here. You can adjust tension here, and we can go from there. So, and that all comes, that's a package. That is the ESEE offerings for 2023.